Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut's transaction disputes feature. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a really quick one. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut account. You could do that on the mobile app, or you could do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the transaction section. Once you're there, you want to select the disputed transaction and then tap dispute transaction. Next, you want to enter the dispute reason and confirm the dispute. Next, you gotta just wait for Revolut to review, and they're gonna help you to resolve the dispute. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Revolut's transaction dispute feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.